Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ultimate Develop series. So today we will discuss why hardware engineering industries are moving away from the fragmented legacy CAD toolchains toward unified cloud-based collaboration platform and what this shift means for productivity, scalability and innovation. So let's get started. So first of all, let's see how hardware engineers used to work. The traditional hardware engineers work individually because they don't have the workspace, they don't have the visibility, traceability in their workspace. Let's take an example of a multi-board design. Like the board has multiple interfaces. So the different engineers work on their own softwares and working on different locations. Let's say someone is working on the one side of the globe and another engineer is working on the other interface from another side of the globe. So they have uh, don't have the files synchronization, so the error risk is increased. So the second point is collaboration depends upon emailing design files. So as they are not working on the same page and not have the access to these files, so they send the files through the emailing them, emailing the files to share them. That's the time consuming process. They complete the design first and then send the design to for the review and to another engineer to see if anything is wrong with the design. So manual version naming, they have the manual version naming. So but in the ultimate developed software, they have the automated version naming. Shared network drives. So, the two ways usually used by the engineers to share the files nowadays as well. They either emailing the files or sending the files into the drive, and we know the drive has some limited space. And if the project is high density PCB or high density design, so the space and the file size is more than enough. So the space is consuming more and more. Ultimately, it will be uh, finished. So in Altium Develop, we have uh, uh, visual visibility and can work together. And the external documentation tools are usually used by the engineers. Design reviews were slow and often asynchronous. Because of these some issues, the design review and design validation gets slow down the process, and ultimately it will increase the deadline of the task. So secondly, uh, let me see this. Secondly, the reality of legacy and siloed tool chains. The reality of legacy, the problems with the legacy system. What is the problem with the legacy system? Data silos, version conflicts. Data silos, schematics, PCB layouts, BOM, and documentation live in different places. So they are not synchronized, they can be mismatched, the version can be conflict because of these different places. But in Altium Develop, we have automated version control. So if another design is the design is updated with the second draft, it have some other BOM and other PCB layout, other schematics, and all are synchronized with each other in the workspace. Limited visibility in traditional softwares, they have the limited visibility as we have just discussed. If multiple engineers are working on the same project, then they have some limited visibility. If they want to be visible throughout the design process, then it will be the time consuming task. Poor cross discipline collaboration. Electrical, mechanical, firmware, and manufacturing teams work in isolation. They don't have the direct access to the design. But in Altium develop, we have electrical, mechanical, and firmware teams all are synchronized. So that's why that's a high risk of error we can have in our design. It can be in the design, or it can be in the phase of the development. The key message is legacy tools don't fail because they are bad. They fail because they were never designed for modern collaborations. But we need a modern collaboration in the modern era. So let's move towards the third point. What changed in the industry? Industries are shifting to the automated design, but again they are lacking the traceability and visibility feature. There are remote and hardware engineering teams. They have the remote and hardware engineering teams, but again, they are working on the individual task, but again, lacks the visibility. That's the result of uh, delay in the task. So, faster product iteration cycles, they have iteration cycles again and again because of this issue, increasing system complexity. So startups nowadays are competing with global enterprises. As we know, the startups are growing throughout the globe, and but that's needing the new feature of the Altium or the design software, which can help them to synchronize all the files and can avoid the delays in the design. So Altium Develop is the solution for these issues. So how Altium Develop resolve these issues? Let's discuss in this fourth point. Rise of unified cloud-based engineering platforms. So they have the centralized design data. All the files are on the same software, same workspace. Like electrical engineers design the schematics and the PCB, this stuff, and the BOM and other manufacturing related stuff. So all are available over here. So mechanical engineers get their desired data and firmware engineers get their desired data from the same workspace. So in this way they collaborate with each other. So thanks for watching and follow us for the upcoming videos.